How tall is the turtle?
In this, it's 30 centimeters.
That's wrong.
What do you mean it's wrong?
It's not 30 centimeters.
Oh, wait, hang on a minute. No, it is 30 centimeters. What do you mean?
It's not 30 centimeters.
So it's not 30, but I'm gonna show you how to get the right answer. Don't mind the bonnet, it's the Lord's Day, so leave me alone. Solve this using something called system of equations. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna create two linear equations with variables to figure out the height of the turtle. Okay, so let's assign our variables. So I'm gonna say that the height of the turtle, if we just look at the turtle here, I'm gonna call it X, let's make it simple. And then we have the height of the rock, we're gonna call that Y. Okay, so we have X and Y. Okay, so the height of the turtle is X, the height of the rock is Y. Cool. Okay, so now let's look at our diagram and try and make some equations. If we take a look at the first part of our diagram, we can see that we're taking in consideration the full height of the rock, but we're subtracting the height of the turtle, so we're excluding it. So what that means is we're going to take the full height of the rock, which is Y, and we're going to subtract the height of the turtle, which is X. So we're going to have Y minus X, and that result gives us that 200 that we have right there. All right, so let's continue. Over here in this diagram, we can see that the two heights are actually added together. So the height of the turtle and the height of the rock will give us 230. So I'm going to just say Y plus X is equal to 230. Okay, so now that we have our system of equations, we need to solve it. So to solve it, there's a couple methods we can use. One of them is elimination. Essentially, in elimination, all you have to do is cross out variables by manipulating the equations in some way. But lucky for us, we won't need to. If we take a look here, when we try to put these together, we'll see that the minus X and the plus X are going to cancel out. So that's gone. So we have no more X. So now we have Y plus Y, which is just going to be 2Y. And then over here, we have 200 plus 230, which is going to give us 430. Okay, so last thing we need to do, or close to the last thing we need to do, is we need to get our Y by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. When we do that, we're going to get Y is equal to 215. Perfect. So now that we have one variable, we're going to plug that into one of the original equations to find the other variable. So I'm going to erase this right here. I'm going to take this guy right here. So we basically have Y plus X equals 230, but we found what Y is. So we have 215 plus X is equal to 230. Now, all we have to do is solve for X by subtracting 215 on both sides. When we do that, 215 is canceled, and we're going to get X is equal to 15. So in other words, the height of this turtle right here is 15 centimeters. And that's it. That's all you got to do.